Hi, my name is Richard Good. I'm a lapidary artist. I cut and polish gemstones. What I wanted to show you today is a process where I start with a rough stone, take a slice of it, choose a pattern, cut and polish the stone to reveal the full nature of God's beauty. Thank you. To me, selection of the stone, the pattern in the stone, and the shape is the hardest part that I have to do. Once I've done that, decide on a shape. If the stone is patterned, I have to decide what part of the pattern in the stone I use. In choosing the shape, I have cut this rough material into slabs, is the term we use. I choose the material, and at that point in time, I go to what is called a trim saw. I hand hold the material and cut it out, taking care to be somewhat away from the lines because there may be chipping on the edges. At that point, I'll take it over to the rough grinding wheels. These are basically diamond embedded in metal, a coarse and a fine, that I can use to remove the material. If it's a soft material, I may start with the fine. If it's a very hard material, I'll start with the coarse. Once I've taken the shape down, the pattern shape down to where I want it, on the coarse and the fine wheels, then I'll put it on something where I can hold it. It's called a dop stick. Dop is a term used in the industry of a hard wax that will attach the stone to the stick and allow me to hold it. I'll rough out the upper portion, a dome typically on a stone with a flat back. But once I finish the rough, what I call the rough stage, that is on the coarse and fine grinding wheels, I then move to the polishing stage. And what that is, very simply, is it has multiple stages that remove the scratches from the previous stage. And a polished material is when the scratches are so fine you can't see them even with magnification. And of course you get a mirror reflection with light. That steps usually I start with about 320 mesh diamond. Once that is complete, the edges as well as the top, I'll put it in the freezer. The freezer allows the stone to pop off the hard wax very easily without damaging the stone. Normally I'll turn the stone over and repeat the process on the other side. And then the finished product will be as shown. A variety of shapes, a variety of colors, a variety of patterns, all a labor of love that were hand cut. I cannot say handmade. God made the stones. I merely reshaped them into something that is enjoyable to all.